with regards to our previous discussion yesterday, let's review about environment conservation. What are the 4 R's of environment conservation? Okay, Jen.
Ma'am, the 4 R of environment conservation are reduce,
Okay.
reuse,
Okay.
recycle,
Okay.
and recover.
Okay, very good. How about the others who can explain the number 1, reduce? Yes, April.
Reduce means to minimize the amount of waste and resource consumption. Example of this is instead of using plastic bags, you can use eco bag to carry your things.
Okay, or your groceries, right? How about number 2? Yes, Ian.
Raise ma'am using item multiple times before discarding them. Like example ma'am, glass of jar ma'am pwedeng lalagyan ng mga beans and mga plastic bottle na pwedeng gawing halamanan ma'am or mga pasto.
Okay, pwede rin natin gamitin sa ating mga kitchen. Very good. Naalala niyo yung ating discussion yesterday. How about recycle? Yes, Sophia.
Recycle is processed materials to create new products. For example, yung mga pinaginuman nating bottles like Mountain Dew that we recycle, like pwede natin siyang gawing souvenir and also mga parol po.
Yes, of course. Especially ngayon, malapit ng December, no? Okay, yeah. Good example. How about recover? Jester.
Extract useful and resources or energy.
Example. Okay. Sige ako. Frenchia, Sheena.
The best example for recovery is composting. Like for example, the waste materials from the fruits and vegetables na pwede maging soil conditioner na through composting.
By the way, class, we have a visitor.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, class. I'm Anika, your guidance counselor. I'm asking you to support the junior life coaches and ating sarili at makatulong na rin sa kapwa nating tao.